Wait till you see what this fill can do. Part 2. Hey, what's up? This is a very simple fill. This is 6 notes long. The fill, right, left, left, kick, right, left. Bam! That's it. That's the fill. But if you skip the video, you're not gonna learn how to use it, the ways in which to use it, and you'll be getting valuable tips on how to learn it in the quickest, most proficient way possible. If you aren't subscribed to me already, please do. I post regular videos on how you can become a better drummer. And I know most of you that are watching aren't subscribed, so come on, help a brother out. Disclaimer, just because this video is less than 10 minutes long doesn't mean that you should have it down in that time. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to take some notes, or come back and watch it again to refresh yourself. Let's get into this. This fill, you can simply play it once, or you can loop it all day long. Unfortunately, I'm not going to have time to show you today, but I've got a specific sticking to put with this. The best way is to practice it, to save you time, so that you can get playing it straight away and use it. If you go to the pinned comment below, you can get into that right now. For today's example, the fill is going to be in 16th note triplets. And if you don't know how to count 16th note triplets, they are 6 notes per quarter note. And you would count them 1 under, 1 under, 2 under, 2 under, 3 under, 3 under, 4 under, 4 under, 1. I'll demonstrate the fill for you at 3 different tempos. So wherever you are in your drumming journey, you can join in and you can get something from this. If you're at your drum set now, then play it with me. So the fill, again, right, left, left, kick, right, left. You ready? 50 BPM, and we're not gonna loop it. Okay, we're gonna up it now, 70 BPM. This is gonna be the last jump now. We're gonna do it at 90. So we're gonna loop it, we'll play the lick 4 times, and we'll put it together with a groove, okay? Follow along with me. Okay, next tempo. Let's up it to 70 beats per minute. You've got that. Last jump now, 90 beats per minute. Sick! Yeah! God, this is so fun to play. If you want to take this further, a thing that will really help you with your independence, stepping your left foot through it. As I said at the beginning, it's a quick video. If you want the rest of it, go to the pinned comment below, and there I'll show you the best sticking to put with this, how to learn it, how to practice it, and to get you playing this in no time. Thank you for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and you've learned something. Leave anything you've got in the comments below and I will get back to you. Watch one of these videos that YouTube has recommended for you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.